Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have a model and a view. Now add the validator. First, open the model class and add using system, component model, data annotations. Then apply required to the property you want validated and include an error message string so users see friendly feedback. Once done, make sure the view binds to that model and includes validation helpers so client-side scripts can run. You're starting validation early to prevent invalid data from reaching your controller or database. Next, wire validation into both client and server flows so you catch errors everywhere. In the view, include the validation scripts and render at HTML. Validation message for or ask validation for so users see errors instantly. In your controller or page handler, check model state. Is valid before processing. If invalid, return the same view with the model to show messages. You can fine-tune behavior with attributes like allow empty strings or use localized error message resource name to support multiple languages. Finish by testing every field and flow. Submit empty values, disable JS and API calls. If client messages don't appear, make sure scripts load in order. jQuery, validate jQuery, validate, unobtrusive, and that validation helpers are present. If server validation fails unexpectedly, inspect model state errors to see binding problems or name collisions. One key troubleshooting tip: when nothing validates, check for duplicate input name attributes or missing name binding. Correcting those usually restores both client and server validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.